Alvin.
Yes, hi! Yan, good evening. Ang bongga, siyempre, lahat excited for the reunion concert of Viva Hotbit. Kayo, nung binanggit na you're gonna have a reunion concert, gaano kayo kasaya? Tapos uuwi rin ng Pilipinas si Ella B, di ba? Tapos ang ganda kasi, kayo, talagang magkakaibigan, di ba? Nakikita ko kasi si Meet madalas i-post, lagi kayo may mga bonding moments. Hindi talaga kayo nagkahiwa-hiwalay, di ba? Lalo na pag uuwi rin si Ella B, di ba? Nakakasama kayo. Isang pinakamayaman nga. Pero I'm not so sure, Oo, kasi baka iba sa inyo mas mayaman pala, di ba? Oo, pero yun nga, na malaman nyo na eto, gagawin ng Viva Live, yung reunion concert nyo, gaano kayo ka-excited? Yeah, simulan natin kay JC Parker, ang politiko. Ako ayaw yan.
Hello? Ayan, okay. Oo na. Thank you. Sobrang kinabahan at excited at the same time because siguro sa aming lahat, ako yung pinaka out of touch, kumbaga, when it comes to the industry of performing. As in, it's been years since dekada na ba? Simula nung umakyat pala ko ulit ng stage to perform. So talagang kinakabahan pero sobrang excited kasi again, makakasama ko yung mga kaibigan kong mag-perform and it's gonna be really nostalgic for me for this experience. Kaya sobrang happy ako mangyayari na ito.
Yeah, oo. Kasi yung mga iba nga, nagpa-perform pa rin sila. Katulad natin si Sherry, ang daming concert, di ba?
Siyempre ako kinakabahan, pero pinaghandaan ko talaga to ng matagal na panahon. And talaga, parang I'm sobrang happy na at least this time kasama ko na silang lahat kasi sa totoo lang ang hirap po talagang buuhin ng grupo na to. Kasi may mga kanya-kanyang karir na, so kahit na ako tuloy-tuloy ako sa mga ginagawa kong shows, gusto ko man silang talagang isama lahat. Hindi talaga mabubuo. So ngayon, mabubuo na talaga kami. So I'm so happy and very, very happy na this time, makikita ko na sila ulit na magkasama kami on stage. Siyempre, iba pa rin yun pag sila yung kasama.
Pasabog din kasi yung mga pole dancing mo eh. Dito meron, may ganun.
Secret.
Yeah.
Di na pole dancing, aakyat ako ng tok-tok ng ceiling, maglalakad ako habang
Pagpababa ka mula sa taas.
Oo, mag-exorcism ako pababa.
Eto naman, syempre lagi natin nakikita, hindi siya nawawala from pagiging child star hanggang ngayon, ang bongga, very visible, si Katja.
Thank you, Tita June. Ako, honestly, very emotional, mixed emotions, kasi nga po, first, hindi ko naiisip na mangyayari pa siya. But now, na ngayon mangyayari na, naghahalo yung pressure, yung emotions, yung kaba, tapos excitement. So hindi ko mahiwa-wala yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Siguro dahil hindi pa nagsisink in, but more than anything else, grateful ako and thankful ako na binigyan kami ulit ng chance ng Viva na magsama-sama kami ulit to have this reunion. And naisip ko na, oo nga, I think it's time na magpakita kami ulit, not just as a group, but to celebrate our friendship, yung pinagsamahan talaga namin for almost 20 years. More than 20 years. More than 20 years. So, happy, excited, at the same time, pressured, and yeah, napapressure kasi po, we want to give our best this time, syempre. For everyone dun sa mga nag-aabang sa amin.
Okay, Maui. Siyempre si Maui, nakasama ko to sa Stop, Talk, and Listen. Diba? Nag-talk show kami sa Viva One. Yes, Maui.
Hi, Tita June. Hello everyone. Good evening and to all the press here. Syempre, very excited and nervous at the same time. I mean, we've been doing shows, we've been performing together, pero not as an entire group. So this is very different. Tapos, syempre, yung show namin, we're going to bring something different to the table. And more than anything, this is a celebration of 23 years of friendship and being in the group, in the industry as the Viva Hot Babe. So this is something really exciting for each and every one of us.
Yan. Eto next, syempre naging politician din, naging vice mayor, di ba? Oo. Pero eto, talagang friend ko to teenager pa lang siya.
Oh my.
Remember, iba pa pangalan mo that time.
Oo.
O, alam mo, nakita ko yung ex mo sa Amerika.
Oh, sino yan?
Si Gary.
Sino sa kanila?
Si Gary, remember.
Ay, yeah, Gary!
Oo, di ba? Oo. Early 90s, oo. Pero yan,
Vin Diesel ba?
pero yan, Andrea, you're very much around. Hindi, isa ka rin sa, parang, sabi nila parang may something talaga, parang hindi ka rin tumatanda di ba? Very fresh pa rin yung tsura mo.
Very what? Sorry?
Very fresh.
Fresh! Wow, lahat naman kami mga fresh na mga
Hindi, lahat naman
bulaklak
kayo.
pa. Yeah, so how do we feel? I think, actually, hindi nyo na itatanong. This was an idea even way back, first quarter of this year. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Tama ba? So ang feeling namin nung time na yon, actually, we all refused. Kasi talaga namang, katulad nga ng sabi ng iba sa amin dito, we already had other things to do, nag-iba-ibang mga path, and then medyo, ako, medyo nagmanang-manang na ako, I was accepting roles na, alam mo na, just to tone down, the sexy image and stuff like that. So talagang at first, we didn't want to do it, and at the same time, we didn't want to take the spotlight from the sex bomb at that time, because we were like, what, so we were like, no, we shouldn't, we shouldn't do it na pabara-bara then. We were not ready at that time. So, but like my prayer earlier, I said that nothing is an accident, di ba? So lahat naman to nangyari for a reason, and that's why we're very happy that it led to this. And katulad na nga ng sabi ni Maui, that we want this as a celebration. It's more like celebrating how we started, where we are now as women, as moms, as all these multifaceted women, and we want to show that, that we're here to stay. Diba?
Okay, syempre, ito si Gwen Garcia. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-controversial na before, di ba? Tama, Gwen, di ba? Pero naging chef ka, tama? Chef? Tama?
No,
Or
si
what?
Jennifer.
Si Jenny. Pero aside from magiging chef ni Jennifer Lee, yung sa music, di ba? Nag-DJ siya. So, pero may mga businesses ka, di ba, Gwen? Kasosyo mo si Mindy Martin, my friend, di ba? Tama mo.
Ng Airbnb.
Airbnb yan. So, gaano ka ka-excited? And nung time na wala ka sa showbiz, anong ginawa mo? Aside from Airbnb business.
Airbnb, nung wala ako sa showbiz kasi wala ako ng konti. Siyempre, kasi nung nag-asawa ako, nasa ibang bansa ako, so that's why I stopped show business for 5 years, and then meron yung pumunta ako sa Baguio, tinulungan ko yung mom ko for our business there. That's why I stopped rin for how many years. So, but nung pagbalik ko naman, tuloy-tuloy naman yung TV and all. So I'm happy. Well, about this concert, I'm very nervous and pressured and happy. Lahat na lang ng kaba na nararamdaman namin lahat. Pero we thank God for giving us a chance to be together, because minsan lang to kami magkasama-sama for, like what you said, for 23 years, never kami nagkasama ng ganito. Kaya exciting at the same time.
Okay, eto si Jennifer Lee. Ito yung
Hi, good evening!